Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this brilliant 3008 SUV in the Ultimate Red. So this is the Allure specification, which gives you front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree reversing camera. You get 18-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows. Inside you've got the touchscreen that comes with connected 3D navigation, as well as DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. There's also dual zone air conditioning and cruise control. So let's have a look around. So if this car is of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.